LWX already? Okay.
This is a test of the all-hazards NOAA weather radio warning device. During potential situations, especially to warn of the impending hazards. Every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Available good weather day. The warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. This is a statement. Widespread frost before 10 a.m.
You didn't activate?
This is the National Weather Service Office activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Alerts of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and alert. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. This was a specific area message encoding and torn alert systems. Here's the
Oh.
Maryland. Those potentially dangerous weather situations, especially low receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Montgomery. Here is the official